Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Headspace app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Headspace is a meditation and wellness app designed to help users reduce stress, improve sleep, and build healthier mental habits. It offers guided meditations, mindfulness practices, breathing exercises, and sleep sounds. The app aims to make meditation approachable for beginners, while also offering deeper programs for experienced users. In practice, many users appreciate Headspace's clean design and calming audio guidance. The guided sessions are voiced in a clear and soothing style, making it easy for beginners to stay focused. Categories range from stress and anxiety management to productivity, relationships, and sleep improvement. Headspace also includes Sleepcasts, bedtime stories combined with relaxing sounds that are especially popular with users struggling to fall asleep. Another strength is structure. The app provides step-by-step meditation courses, daily reminders, and streak tracking, which help users stay consistent. Headspace also integrates with Apple Health and other fitness platforms, allowing users to link mindfulness with their overall health goals. For those with busy schedules, the app offers short meditations lasting just a few minutes, making mindfulness accessible anytime. However, there are drawbacks. While Headspace has a free trial and limited free content, most features require a subscription, which some users find expensive. Advanced meditators may also find the sessions too basic over time, preferring more flexible or unguided practices. Additionally, the app focuses more on guided audio rather than interactive tools, so it may not suit users who want more dynamic tracking or customization. In summary, Headspace is worth considering if you're looking for a polished, beginner-friendly app to build a meditation or mindfulness routine. It's especially helpful for managing stress and improving sleep. But if you're seeking advanced or highly personalized meditation practices, you might find its structure somewhat limiting. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.